أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. So in this video we will discuss about the term Lean Six Sigma. So firstly we need to break the term Lean Six Sigma. So what is Lean is? Lean is to reduce waste by streamlining your process, and Six Sigma is to reduce defect by effectively problem solving technique. So it's mean Lean speed up Six Sigma by problem solving with process improvement is more efficient and much faster. So for Lean we have different tools like PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act, 8 ways of Leans, and the 5S technique. And we can apply Six Sigma by using DMA IC, control charts, FMEA. So after using Lean Six Sigma, we will capable of to deliver the quality output by aligning organization mission with customer satisfaction. So now we will discuss the these techniques. So for Lean, first technique is 5S technique, which is sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. So sort means to keep only necessary item, or to choose or identify only or select only the item which are very important to us. Then set in order means to arrange item to promote efficient workflow. And shine is to clean and shine your workplace or work area. Standardize means to set up standards to follow, and sustain means to ensure that you can use these 5S in future, or this thing will be part of your culture. So second technique is PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act. First you need to plan it, then perform it, then validate or check it, or and apply it. So this is Plan, Do, Check, Act. And the third one is the 8 waste of Lean. The 8 waste are overproduction, inventory, talent, transport, waiting, motion, overprocessing, and defect. Overproduction means the excessive amount of output produced. Example, if you need to have 100 kg and you produce the output of 120 kg, then 20 kg is the overproduction and is actually a waste. Then inventory, the additional amount of or excessive amount of inventory present is also a waste. There is another waste is talent, and we normally saw it in our organization, like a lot of people waste their talent, or we are not utilizing people um, with all the talent they have. So this is the waste of talent. Then transport, the unnecessary movement of product and materials are waste of transport. Then waiting, the additional pause and waits present in your process are also the waste of weight. Then motion, unnecessary movement by the people is also a waste of motion. Then over processing, we can also call it the gold plating, is also a waste. Then defect itself, the mismatch of expected and actual result is also a waste. You need to either rework it or discard it. So these are techniques of lean. Now for Six Sigma we have the DMAIC technique: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. There is another one which is DMADV. So what is difference between DMAICM and DMADV? DMAIC is used to improve the existing process, while DMADV is used to define the new process. So ultimately you will apply Six Sigma or achieve Six Sigma by using this technique. The second one is FMEA, which is failure mode effect analysis. Like you need to identify the potential failures by applying the possible areas or different types of mode, and looking by looking at different positive and negative effect on process which are used, and the analysis or study risk and reduce it. So this is FMEA. And the last one is the control chart. So as you can see in the diagram, there are two red lines. The upper one is called as the UCL, upper control limit, and lower one is known as lower control limit or LCL. So by plotting your data into graph and use that control chart, you clearly identify your processes or defects which are going beyond your control limits, so that you need to apply some control, uh, either in either case if it go beyond the upper limit or in lower limit, you apply some control and bring back them into your normal limit. So these are techniques of Lean Six Sigma. So together they are Lean Six Sigma, and by using this, the output can be much the better one. So inshallah, I will create some videos in detail of each one of them. So hope you like this video. So thank you for your time. We will meet in our next video. So until then, Allah Hafiz.